As time goes on, traditional marketing is becoming less and less effective, taking the back seat to a more strategic approach known as content marketing. Welcome to another edition of Marketing Tip Monday. Content marketing focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. Instead of straightforwardly pitching your products or services, you provide truly useful content to your prospects or clients to spark interest or help solve problems. We all know consistently producing frequent, quality, and relevant content isn't an easy feat. So once you've developed an awesome piece, why not get the most out of it? By repurposing content, you will save resources, extend your reach, and even find new ways to reach your audience. Finding the best ways to repurpose and really stretch your content can sometimes be a challenge. So we've developed a list of ways to get the wheels spinning, all starting with a blog. Blogs are a great place to start because we tend to do the most research for our blogs. So they're loaded with facts and valuable information. Once your blog has been published, it can take on many different forms. First, infographics. Infographics contain the same valuable information, but in a more digestible way. Once these graphics are developed, they can be used for a social media series, email campaign, or both. Second, video scripts or podcasts. You don't want to get on the air or behind a camera and read a long blog post, but you already have the facts. Take the key points of your blog and reformat them into a script or talking points. It may help if you think about how you would summarize what you've written to tell a friend. Is your blog stat-packed? Pick out the stats and use them for social media. You can either place them simply on a graphic for Instagram or use them in your copy for Facebook. If you're already a tweeter, Twitter is a great platform for this quick, valuable information too. Fourth, spin-offs. Use your original blog post to inspire other topics. Elaborate on an area that you could have gone into more detail with, but didn't have room in the last post. Write a new blog post and start the repurposing ride all over again. Repurposing your content not only saves time, but it also improves its effectiveness. Studies show that a message needs to be received between 6 and 20 times for it to be considered effective. Sending the same message more often works better than a laundry list of varying messages. If you have questions about how to stretch your content or want to know more, leave a comment below. One of our awesome marketing team members will reach out to you. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in. We hope you got some good info, and be sure to tune in next week for another edition of Marketing Tip Monday.